First, let us look at what is phobia. A phobia is an irrational fear of something that is unlikely to cause harm, means something which will not cause any harm, but still we have a fear, we are afraid of it. Comes from the Greek word phobos, which means fear or horror. Acluophobia, fear of darkness. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Aerophobia or pteromerhanophobia, fear of flying. Algophobia, fear of pain. Alectorophobia, fear of chickens. Agoraphobia, fear of public places or crowds. Ecmophobia, fear of needles or pointed objects. Amaxophobia, fear of riding in a car. Androphobia, fear of men. Anginophobia, fear of angina or choking. Anthophobia, fear of flowers. Anthropophobia, fear of people or society. Aphinphosmphobia, fear of being touched. Arachnophobia, fear of spiders. Arithmophobia, fear of numbers. Astrophobia, fear of thunder and lightning. Ataxophobia, fear of disorder or untidiness. Ataichophobia, fear of failure. Autophobia, fear of being alone. Bacteriophobia, fear of bacteria. Barophobia, fear of gravity. Bathymophobia, fear of stairs or steep slopes. Batrachophobia, fear of amphibians. Bilonophobia, fear of pins and needles. Bibliophobia, fear of books. Botanophobia, fear of plants. Catachallophobia, fear of being ridiculed. Catoptrophobia, fear of mirrors. Chionophobia, fear of snow. Chromophobia, fear of colors. Chronomentrophobia, fear of clocks. Claustrophobia, fear of confined spaces. Coulrophobia, fear of clowns. Cyberphobia, fear of computers. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Dendrophobia, fear of trees. Dentophobia, fear of teeth. Distichiphobia, fear of accidents. Domatophobia or ecophobia, fear of houses. Allurophobia, fear of cats. Entomophobia, fear of insects. Ephebiphobia, fear of teenagers. Equinophobia, fear of horses. Gamophobia, fear of marriage. Geniophobia, fear of knees. Glossophobia, fear of public speaking. Gynophobia, fear of women. Heliophobia, fear of sun. Hemophobia, fear of blood. Herpetophobia or ophidiophobia, fear of serpents. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Koinoniphobia, fear of room full of people. Leucophobia, fear of white color. Lilapsophobia, fear of tornadoes and hurricanes. Lochiophobia, fear of childbirth. Magirocophobia, fear of cooking. Megalophobia, fear of large things. Melanophobia, fear of black color. Microphobia, fear of small things. Mysophobia, fear of dirt and germs. Necrophobia, fear of death or dead things. Noctiphobia, fear of the night. Nosocomiphobia, fear of the hospitals. Nyctophobia, fear of the dark. Obesophobia, fear of gaining weight. Octophobia, fear of the number 8. Ombrophobia, fear of rain. Ornithophobia, fear of birds. Papyrophobia, fear of paper. Pathophobia, fear of diseases. Pedophobia, fear of children. Philophobia, fear of love. Phobophobia, fear of phobias. Podophobia, fear of feet. Pogonophobia, fear of bed. Porphyrophobia, fear of purple color. Pteridophobia, fear of ferns. Pyrophobia, fear of fire. Scolionophobia, fear of school. Selenophobia, fear of moon. Somniphobia, fear of sleep. Tachophobia, fear of speed. Technophobia, fear of technology. Tonitrophobia, fear of thunder. Trypanophobia, fear of needles or injections. Venustrophobia, fear of beautiful women. Verminophobia, fear of germs. Wiccaphobia, fear of witches and witchcraft. Xenophobia, fear of strangers or foreigners. Zoophobia, fear of animals.